Well, hey there folks. Today is an extremely exciting day because for the first time since 2019, myself and Megan are going down to the States and traveling further south than Seattle. We're going to be in the States for 2 weeks and going to kind of center a lot of our travels around a bunch of hot springs that I wanted to go to for many years. So yeah, we're really excited for this, and it's been a long time coming. Alright, well, we've officially made it through the US border. We are now in Washington. We've been here for about half an hour, maybe, because they wanted our eggs. They really wanted those premium grade A free range eggs. I don't blame them. Good work, guys. So first order of business was to stop at the parcel place because I just won a contest. The first contest that I'm pretty sure I've ever won in my life. And it's from Gorilla Dirt, and we got a camping blanket, which coincidentally we're going to be using inside of the cab while we sleep on the strip. So that's pretty exciting. Check it out. Sweet. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. That's gonna be super cozy. Nice.
Cool.
Well, thank you, Gorilla Dirt. That's great. And probably the thing that I'm more excited about than the actual blanket itself is I got patches and stickers. So next order of business is to visit an Instagram friend that I have been chatting with for many years, and it's just never really worked out for us to meet up. And finally I'm passing through Bellingham, Washington, while Rory of Leopard Overland is in Bellingham at the same time. He usually heads to Colorado to do ski training during the winter, and I just haven't been going down south for the last few years. So yeah, I'm stoked to finally catch up with him, finally meet him, and it's just gonna be a short visit before we head on the rest of our way to kind of central Washington. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so we're here at Rory's place, or his parents' place, and just looking at the infamous Leopard Overland truck. I have been waiting many years to see this in person, and there's Rory. Hello. Hi, Rory. And yeah, we finally got to go and take a look inside and poke around and chat, and I think we're going to be saying goodbye pretty soon here, and we're going to be continuing on. But yeah, it was so good to like finally meet up with you, man, and yeah, put a face to a name.
Yeah, until next time on the road.
Hi, Rory. Well, we've made it all the way to Salton, which is not that far, and we're just waiting for some propane so that we can cook our food. But we are also seriously considering getting Mexican tonight because we're in the land of good Mexican food. So
I think Maria's has an Instagram handle.
I don't know.
You should tag him.
Yeah.
Well, maybe after we've got the burritos.
We're getting burritos and tacos. Well, we're pretty freaking dang excited because we got Mexican food and we're on the roll. So we're gonna go find a nice spot to eat some Mexican food. We found it. Big Eddy public water access. It's somewhere to eat and we're excited for it.
Woo!
Yeah.
Is it the best thing ever?
Yes. Hey Megs, first impressions of authentic American Mexican food.
Delicious.
Yes.
10 out of 10.
Yes. That is what a taco is supposed to look like. Alright, food is finished. Time to hit the road once again and go to our sleeping destination for the night. What do you think? Yeah. That's the right kind of sign.
Yes! Come on, good campsite.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Well, it took us a long time to find our spot. It was a fair amount of searching, but the wait was worth it.
Sweet.
It's windy up here.
That one got me.
Did the mosquitoes find you already?
Yeah.
Aw.
Yeah. They're everywhere. I need light.
Well, it's the next morning. It's beautiful. We're absolutely thrilled to be here. I jumped out of the bed at 6 o'clock this morning to go and shoot the sunrise. I mean, it's a pretty late sunrise given, but still, I mean, the last time I willingly got out of bed at 6 a.m. was a long time ago. And today I just felt like I had all the energy in the entire world. So, you know, I'm feeling pretty great about where we are right now. So we're just we're gonna get going on some coffee, and then we're gonna head out and just have a really crazy driving day just to get down to southeastern Oregon. So we're probably not gonna shoot a whole lot. So yeah, just look for some cool driving shots, and that's it. Yeah. So I made this thing right before we left. It's just a pressurized water can, so we don't have to turn the heavy water can upside down anymore. Ta-da! Magical, running water. It's amazing the lengths that we'll go, us humans, for a little bit of convenience.
I want some fresh fruit.
You want fresh fruit?
Yeah, I want to buy fruit from them. Day one repairs.
Yeah. There's been a clunk. Every time I take off from a stop, something underneath the truck kind of shifts, and it's really had me worried. I decided just to go and wait for it to break, but yesterday when we were in the parking lot getting Mexican food, I thought to check something, found out that my transmission bolts were loose. So I'm hoping, or at least one of them was, so I'm hoping that if I tighten them, maybe no more clunk. Well, we're packing up now. Nothing really conclusive was found, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna have to wait for the truck to blow up, which is, yeah, Megan's over there laughing nervously. Quick stop, take a leak. We're at some kind of scenic viewpoint.
Hey, look at this river.
This is a big river. Holy moly, man.
Much water.
Much water. Excuse me, lady, what did you just do over there?
Oops.
And there's our trusty steed. That's an 85 as well. It's got a solid arc. Oh, hey.
Hello. Pit stop.
What do you think of the drive so far?
It's been beautiful.
And hot.
So different from place to place.
So different?
So different. So cool.
Yeah. We've been following this river for a while down the 395 in Oregon. I think it's the Umatilla or Umatilla National Forest, and we just really want to swim. So we're off on a little bit of adventure, sub-adventure, to go swim.
Too cold for you.
Oh my God. Go down. Tell what's deep and what's not.
River dweller. Excellent dip.
Yes. Huh?
Up to this beautiful view. And it's day 2 and he's still under the truck.
Still here.
Tinkering.
Want a grasshopper?
No thank you. Extra protein.
I can't figure out what the heck is going on. There's a leak from somewhere and there's a clunky clunk, which I don't like.
On to the next repair.
Yeah, the right before we left, actually, this aftermarket window roll up fell off, and I've been having trouble rolling down my window ever since. I finally remembered to fix it. Fix, drive, brake, repeat, something like that. So yesterday we drove about 9 hours, give or take. We went all the way from Wenatchee, Washington, down to Ventura, Oregon. And we're only going to be here for a few more hours before we head off and make our way down to the Steens area and then eventually to the Alberta Desert. Yeah, it's just going to be a smaller driving day today, just 3 hours versus 9 yesterday. Yeah, so I'm going to close off this video here. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you have something cool to say, feel free to do so in the comment section below. So until next time, guys, keep on roaming. Catch you later. Bye.